If there was ever a week for a Dan Bongino Friday news explosion, it's this week. Our favorite New York City cop here to break down everything huge that happened. He also, by the way, has a brand new book, Exonerated the Failed Takedown of President Donald Trump by the Swamp. Outstanding. Dan Bongino joins us. Congrats on the book, Dan, by the way.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Tucker. We lay out the blueprint. You know, they tried this scam before, this Russian collusion thing, so I deeply appreciate you mentioning the book. But let's get to the news explosion, because this is my favorite segment of the week. We have two stories this week, but really three, because there's a tie for number one. And stay tuned, we'll be giving out a special award at the end. So, story number two, Hillary Clinton, corruption fighter, Tucker, warrior against corruption. Hillary Clinton. Get your bearings here. Listen, I have some props here for you. Here's the penalty flag. Hillary Clinton, illegal procedure, 15 yards. Corruption fighter? Now, what's the genesis of this? She claims Donald Trump, and I quote, I had to write this down, Hillary Clinton, who's back on the scene again, is a corrupt human tornado. So, Tucker, I don't like writing notes for the segment, but when it comes to Hillary Clinton's corruption, you need some notes. I had Uranium One, Pay to Play, and the Clinton Foundation, her Ukraine Pinchuk scandals, the Rose Law Firm, Spygate. Hillary, just a note, you may just want to sit this one out. I'm just saying. Pro tip on that.
I think that's probably pretty good advice.
Yeah, you think so, right? Hillary Clinton, corruption fighter. Who knew, right? Okay, story number one. Now, we have a little competition. We're going to be giving out a special award today. And the winner for the best dramatic retelling of a Democrat fake news hoax. We have two contestants. We have Adam Schiff, who reinvented the entire transcript in the congressional hearing yesterday in the Ukraine call, and told a totally different story, hyperbolic story of what Trump said to the Ukrainian president. He was very gifted, though, Tucker, in his retelling. I want to compliment him on his skills there. And then the New York Times decided they were going to get creative, their opinion section, and they put out a tweet with the Star Wars scroll telling what they believe to be the Trump story of corruption. Of course, they're fake news stories. So, Tucker, I have the envelope. We have a winner here.
Who wins?
Is the tension building? The winner is Adam Schiff. Actually, this is an invite to my 7-year-old daughter's dinner party. Tucker, we have a trophy. Here it is. This is actually my daughter's lacrosse trophy from the Sticklets lacrosse. But you get it, Adam Schiff. Come claim your trophy. It's here in Palm City, Florida.
You don't want him there. Dan Bongino, great to see you. Have a best weekend.